The next new technology I used is probably not new to a lot of people, but it was new to me. I used Google Slides to help my students with their cellular morphology. A lot of times you don't get the same pictures that we would get in class. So I bought an adapter for my camera, hooked my camera up to the microscope, and I did a tutorial for them using Google Slides using the flashcards. So as they're going through, they're going to use their differential counter as they would if they were looking at a microscope, because this is actually pictures that I took from my microscope that I added to. And unfortunately, it takes 100 slides or 100 cells to count a manual differential. So I'll keep talking while we go through these. The reason I selected this is the students needed a way to practice their cellular morphology, and this way I can see exactly, I know exactly what they're looking at, so there's no question. Use this to help them do the subtle changes in each cell, and by the time they get done, they'll have some feedback. So the target for this, I use this for my first and my second year students. The one we're looking at now is a normal differential. Also, I can take pictures of abnormal cells, which we don't quite see as often. So that works out pretty good for everybody. The ISTE standards on this, S1C for the students, and E5B and E7A for the educator. Again, just trying to incorporate technology. So when it gets done, it asks them, how did they do? And this is what I got, so they can see how close or how far they're not. And if they want to click here, they get a walkthrough tutorial, which is me using another technology that I hadn't used before, Screencastify. So I use Screencastify to talk them through this, but I'm not going to play this video because it'll overplay what I'm doing right now.